Hello, 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 beautiful people. Listen, let's talk Big Brother. Ne? So, anyone who's voting for anyone else but Thandeka or Meli, don't lose your cool when there are people, especially about Thandeka, most of them, not all of them, but rude, bafana no Thandeka wabo. And it's just a game at the end of the day. But abantu bakathandeka, most of them are rude. They like to offend people who are against them, who don't vote for umuntu wabo. Bafuna everybody manje athanda uthandeka. So don't fall for the trap yokuthi now you must respond and intontoni they want that. But if you've got the energy, no, but to get back, mina anginasathu isikhathi lesingibhizi. I'm doing better things. Also, I posted now ukuthi I'm supporting Uliano Ilano no Liema sharp. Ama comments yewena khehla yewena mkhulu. It's not an offense ukuthi ngibamba mkhulu. The question is, are you going to reach my age? Number 1. 2, the question is, are you going to be as happy and successful at my age? Right? It's not an insult to mkhulu, it's a blessing. Number 1. 2. Number 3, when you insult me, don't forget to add one of the most loved, mkhulu. One of the most successful, mkhulu. One of the most happiest, mkhulu. One of the most living his full life, true self, mkhulu. Ungangivela uthi mkhulu ngithuke nje kuphela and nakhona ngithuki. Okay, sizontshela nina ke mina. Actually, sontshela. Sinsabi. Sinsabi shem. Yo. Don't forget that part. That part, my khohlwa. Danko.
Konakele, guys. Today I'm not going to talk about the show itself, but I'm going to talk about the people who are the big supporters of the show. Namhlanje ke ndizawuthetha about celebrities ezingena into kaBig Brother, and one of them nguSomgaga Somizi Mhlongo, a big celebrity, a big person in the entertainment industry in South Africa. So I'm disappointed by the utterances kaSomizi namhlanje. The campaigner, certain housemate in season 6 kaBig Brother. To me, after I've listened to what he was saying, kula clip, I think the end up woman city, there is an element of umona up, because he's decampaigning against one of the talk about contestant in Big Brother season 6. And in the tata lento ayithethileyo ndayiconnecta with utterances wazenza before about the show. A city show is no longer the same. The show has lost its spark and the culture and the purpose. So ndithi ke kuye, the purpose of the show is seyileya siyaziyo. And he was also saying that the show before wasn't meant to develop the careers zabantu or people to expect to be celebrities when they enter the Big Brothers competition. But I think he was showing even then the signs of jealousy. Guys, Big Brother is a big competition. We all know that. And the Big Brother is even bigger than the idols. We know that Big Brother, whoever come of that house, career yakhe yablosoma. The idols is uSomgaga was part of. I don't even remember a winner idols even today. Dilibele neseason bazazingaphi, because of I didn't see the impact on the ground. But Big Brother has a big or huge impact on the ground. This show, I think, to me, is opening more doors, especially for the youth of South Africa. So to come and campaign for these kids, this is a show, this is a game, guys. We mustn't be personal. Why are we so personal about this game? Why are we personalizing things? You see, to the extent of choosing, certain a certain grouping which is following certain people and saying ba kwada. Guys, this is a game and we must just enjoy the game. Let us not try to be bigger than the game. Even Somgaga himself is not bigger than Big Brother. The franchise is big and the franchise will be always big. This is from generations to generations. Big Brother will never die down. This is the biggest show. Ukuthi wena uthi abantu ababangene show bangathathwa abantu abazi-influencers, kungathathwa abantu whatever bafuna ukwenza i-careers, mawuthathwa abantu nje bavalelwe kulandlu bancokole different personality just for nje. Do you think Big Brother is going to make money? Do you think that his sponsors as a Big Brother will be queuing for Big Brother? Because now there are a lot of sponsors that are queuing for that show. I'm telling you. Even the Chillers Punch now, if you are going to this liquor store, kuthiwa is sold out because of this show. This show is big, brother. So the campaigning, I think you must stop doing that. Just campaign for your favorite housemate, but don't campaign at housemate. And don't call people who love that housemate with names using the bad utterances against those people. And London leyo ke mna ke ndibonisa uba ngaba you can't sleep because of this person. Thandeka is huge and Big Brother is meant for that, to uplift abantwana inspired, abantwana they have vision. Even Liama is coming for the second time in the Big Brother. Even we saw the impact in her career. She was doing very well outside the Big Brother. We know that. Her songs, more than 1 million streams on Spotify, on Apple Music, everywhere. She was everywhere. And now she's coming for the second time. And that is not a second chance. That is a purpose. She knows why she's coming back to Big Brother. Maybe she wants to sparkle a bit the career that was already blossoming outside the Big Brother. So guys, this is a career development. Let us not be personal. Let us not be personal about the show. Let us watch the show and enjoy the show. Tango.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. People are angry after Somizi Somgaga khulume athandeka lapha ku Big Brother season 6 bazozwa and akhuluma indaba yokuthi kunebantu laba rude labafana naThandeka. If you're supporting Thandeka then rude nawe ufana naye. So uyasho nje ukuthi yena support uLiema and uIlano, yabo. So people feel ukuthi why akhulume njalo, he's campaigning uThandeka. People feel ukuthi ma celebrities dibanzakanye actually ne Big Brother angacomment angakhuluma public ukuthi sibani unje sibani unje, because bani influence ukukhuluma kwabo kuyowenda ukuthi noma ngabe lo muntu bebekathandzwa bekavotelwa bangasamvoteli just because wena ukhulume ngaye publicly umqheka. So bana baningi they are saying ukuthi wrong Somizi akaphume futhi ukwenza the Big Brother bona they still gonna vote for Italian Kesana. But there are people who are actually agreeing with Somizi, saying ukuthi ayibo uqinisile wona Somizi naku nanyalo bakhona like my comment sections bayakuthuka ma followers athandeka. Do comment your thoughts when down on the comment section. Do you think Somizi was wrong for speaking about Thandeka? I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.